Lorex has a great new camera in its IP PTZ lineup. The LNZ44P4B is made of very high quality aluminum, the same material used in the construction of airplanes. The camera is designed to be mounted horizontally with the included hood mount. It can be installed indoors or outdoors. On the back of the camera is a cable notch that accommodates the cable if you decide to surface run the cables. The 44P4B is fully weatherproof and is IP66 rated. It can operate in temperatures as low as -22 degrees Fahrenheit to as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The camera itself is a 4 megapixel sensor offering 2K resolution, double that of 1080p HD. This is a PTZ camera, which means it can pan, tilt, and zoom. It can rotate or pan around 355 degrees, almost a complete revolution. The camera can achieve a fast 100 degrees per second panning speed. The 44P4B can deliver a wide horizontal field of view. With the zoom function, it offers 33 to 104 degrees. This is a very practical range. It works for those who need a tighter view of an area and is also great for those needing a wide viewing area such as a backyard. The 44P4B utilizes PoE or Power over Ethernet with the need for only one cable to supply power, video, and audio if available. The camera is ONVIF compliant, an international standard for IP network cameras. Included in the package is the all-metal wall mount S1WA1G. This mount has a unique quick install bracket that is easily removed from the main mount with the included Allen key. The mount has a large enough cavity to house all the wiring. Pre-drilled holes allow the camera to attach easily with the 3 included hex bolts. The camera itself is connected to its base with 3 Torx bolts. This unique bolting system is designed to discourage vandals from removing the dome cover. A Torx wrench is included. Screws and hollow wall anchors and a very detailed surface mounting template are also included. The kit also includes a detailed instruction manual in several languages, featuring installation and safety instructions. A 24-hour surveillance window security sticker and a 100-foot Ethernet cable are also part of the kit. The cable has a unique locking mechanism which prevents the cables from accidentally detaching during installation. The LNZ44P4B is an incredibly high quality and versatile PTZ dome camera which will serve all your security needs for many years.